Would you be interested in getting rid of all your pans over there?
Yeah, yeah.
What about like a bulk price?
How much you looking?
I don't know.
You have to...
I don't know. I didn't have an idea. I thought you might.
No.
It's hard to get up here, Dad.
Yeah, it is.
It's so hard to get up here, but it's fun to get up.
Book pillow?
This looks like cherry pie.
You guys been busy? Bread tube star.
Out of everything here, I know what I'm gonna buy.
What are you gonna? The dog? I don't know if the dog is for sale.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you think she would take this for a few cents even though it's $2?
Probably not.
I know.
Would you guys do 5 for these?
Sure, what do we want?
Oh, today's May.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my birthday's in May 27th.
That's true.
Coming up.
Gotta tell everyone. They can all get your presents.
Do you want to bake for him?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you. Full service. I know, it's not, I don't think it is Harry Potter. It kind of looks like Harry Potter. That little pillow thing.
You said like this Conan or...
Ah. Interesting. Yeah. That's cool. Morning. It's a big vase. Vase.
Vase.
A vase.
Vase or
Oh my
vase?
blood pressure, Chester.
For now.
I know. I'm like, if you know the real estate market.
That's her school.
I'm curious.
All right, you ready now?
What's your name? Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin.
How much are those? 5 and what?
I got one of these before.
You can do 5 for both?
Not everything's free.
Dave, look at this curious reports.
We usually
Oh,
get
cool.
down to the free.
Crazy mom whose kids keep going by the street.
Is this size free?
No,
baby.
How much is it?
This?
Oh.
Depending on how many you want, just probably $1 a piece.
What riddle is that? Cool Steelers clock.
Thank you.
Junie B. Jones. Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen books. All books 50 cents. Let's see here. Nightmare on Hannah Street. Hannah, Montana. Snoopy. Babysitter's Club. Goosebumps. Some classics in here.
Yes, I know. My kids read them all.
It's like from my childhood, all these.
Oh, I know. Yeah, you're young. Much younger than I.
Animorphs, though. I remember a lot of this. You have any old video games?
No, we don't.
Rugrats in Paris. I remember those.
Yep.
They're fun. Would you do a price on just this whole box of kids' books?
Sure, and there's a few more
Vanilla?
maybe over here for older.
The Hardy
Yeah,
Boys,
Hardy
he might
Boys.
like.
You can throw that in there too. Yep.
Hmm.
I don't even know how many I had in there, but
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it will add up at 50 cents a piece.
I know.
think. So I don't know if you'd have a better price if I just got them out of your hair.
What do you think's fair price? And then we'll talk about that.
Probably
$10? 15 bucks?
yeah, I was gonna say 15.
Okay,
So
15. That
okay.
would be good. Yeah,
Okay,
you
cool.
can just take the whole box.
that works for me. Can relive some of my childhood with that.
Reread them,
So-
right?
and I can get them into it. So
Yeah, there you go.
there you go.
Excellent.
It'll be fun to look through.
That sounds great.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Cal.
Is it free?
Yeah, it's free because I bought it. There's 2 Steelers. So I just got one for cassettes. Here, wait. I want to buy these 2. Put those in. Don't drop them though.
Wait, all the books are mine though?
No, not all yours. We're gonna share them.
Sure.
What is sharing? What is sharing?
I don't remember.
$2. Oh, you had $1.50 and
Okay,
then
excellent.
$1.50 on the clock and then yeah, 50. Tina, here. You can be comfy on the couch.
Except for it's too constricting.
Yeah. All right. Where did Elijah go? He had enough. He had enough.
You still buy guns?
Yeah, usually good.
Daddy.
What? What's that?
I don't have. Ah, Daddy, stop putting stuff down. The Santa Claus, Dad. You guys better on that chain you got.
Thank you.
You're welcome, thank you.
Dad, are you getting those?
What's that? Maybe. They're pretty cute. They're cuties.
Are you gonna keep them?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. 10.
It's all
Dad,
smoky.
and then tonight I can steal them from you.
You're gonna steal them? How much are your plush?
Those are $2 a piece.
2 a piece.
So that's $4.
It'll be $4.
Yeah, I know.
I'll get them.
Oh, you got Snoopy.
Yeah. 1, 2,
I'm
3,
gonna steal them.
4. There you go. She's gonna steal them, she says. All right, thanks, guys.
Dad, look.
A lot of costumes.
Oh yeah, man. If Power Rangers and Magic is still hot, you know, we're good
Yeah,
to go.
yeah. Holy hat, we'll take the Street Rider. Where did Callie go? Did Anna go with Mom? Oh, she's right there.
What are good brands of hats?
Tightest. It's more about what's on them.
Yeah, I mean, like, what's good with
I don't
hats?
think these are great brands. Just a
Yeah.
matter of do we like them. These look like they're all just custom made. Things are not worth much, but this one's cool because it's like a cereal.
What about
Maybe
this one?
it's really a gamble. Do you think it's maybe?
Daddy,
Yeah.
Anna's buying the mask for me.
Huh.
It depends how much it is. Don't get your hopes up. $1. Yeah, I can't get it. Anna,
$1.
$1.
She doesn't have that much.
Can't get you it, sorry. So all the costumes are $1.
Yeah, 50 cents.
Ooh.
That's all your money, right?
You can have it for free.
How about just take it?
Just take it. I'll just take it.
All right. Enjoy it. Have fun with it.
Guys, look cute.
Cal, did you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No fun. Nothing else is free.
No, just that. You got a lucky deal today.
For the 2 hats, $5?
Yep.
Morning, how are we?
Good, how are you?
Very good. Is this like a neighborhood sale or just a one?
There's one other house over there.
Okay.
I don't know if there's
Dad,
Yes, dear.
I'm looking for free stuff.
Oh, good luck.
You mine it.
It's a lot of pans. USA pan. Pretty nice.
You want a fishing rod?
No. Fishing rods make offer. Oh wow, those are nice fishing rods.
Whoa. Yeah. Wait, is it Leon? Your brother's name is Leon. Like, hey, what do you want? Daddy,
Yeah.
their brother's name is Leon.
Oh, they got donut pans too. Mini cupcakes. Huh. Do you want a bakery?
I did.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Is this for cannolis?
Yes.
Yeah.
How'd you know?
I just, I like eating dessert, so. Do you no longer do it?
Longer. Nope.
Would you be interested in getting rid of all your pans over there?
Yeah, yeah.
What about like a bulk price?
How much you looking?
I don't know.
You have to-
I don't know. I didn't have an idea. I thought you might.
No. Let's see. How many are in there, Mom?
Um,
53 pans. 53 pans.
it's a lot of pans.
That's a lot of pans.
Would you do like 150 bucks?
150?
It's like $3 a pan or something.
Yeah.
Is that fine?
What do you think?
175?
I'm not convinced I have that much in my pocket.
Oh.
I'm not even convinced I have 150. I might.
Oh.
160?
Yeah. We'll
Yeah.
do 160.
I might need to see if I have a lot of singles, but I didn't bring a lot of big bills.
I hope not 160.
60, 80, 100. That's a start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There you go. 160.
Awesome. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you guys.
Do you need some help?
Heavy.
I might just need, well, yeah. Oh, wow, they're really heavy.
Yeah.
I can come back for the second one, or?
Yeah,
if-
Eddie, you're not here.
All right, thanks. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me on that sale, or a couple sales. This was late in the day. I had the whole family with me. And when I've got the whole family with me, I'm kind of in chill mode, not really make money mode. And I got some interesting stuff. I got this Gund Bear and this Snoopy. The Snoopy's not great. He's worth like 10 bucks. The Gund Bear is like an original Shaggy Bear, and it looks like he's selling for 30 to 40, but not often. So I might make some good money off him. He just might take time to sell. I also got those PC games, little box PC games. They're worth like 7 bucks a piece. I don't know why I bought them. I just wanted to buy something. Listed them all. We'll see how they do. And then the really weird buy was those pans. I bought all these pans, and I paid a ton. I paid $150, and I don't know why. I think in my brain it was just like, if I can sell them for 10 bucks a piece, and it's 50 pans, that's $500 minus fees, which is a great profit if I pay $150. But I don't know if they're actually ever going to sell, because the sell-through rate on them is not great. These are really high-quality, like, bakery pans. This lady owned a bakery, closed it down, and this was, like, all her stuff she used in her bakery. So they're really nice USA pans. Like, I kept a bunch for myself because I really like them. Way nicer than the stuff I get at, like, Walmart. But the question is, will they sell? I think I have most of them listed for 14 or 15 bucks plus shipping. So people can buy them for 20 bucks. And if you think about it, like, if I got that 14 bucks, basically that brings me to 10 profit in each pan, which is 500 500 net minus the cost. $350. So we'll see. I don't think it was a great buy. I'm trying to justify it. I don't think it was a great buy, but it was a great learning experience. And we'll see. You know, subscribe to NC Flipper and see if I'm selling any. See if Future Dave is selling any. And if he is, go Future Dave. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.